Hello everyone. Today I am going to start with the topic that is a sexually transmitted infections. And the previous topic we have discussed was medical termination of pregnancy. This is the same series of that one. Sexually transmitted infections or STI, or it may be termed as STDs. STDs क्या होता है basically sexually transmitted diseases, and this one I stands for the infection. So these are basically the diseases or infections which are spreading from one person to another. That is all because of the unprotected sexual intercourse. ठीक है, बिना किसी प्रोटेक्शन के थ्रू किया गया सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स और द सेक्सुअल एक्ट और द यू कैन से दैट कोइटस की वजह से क्या हो सकता है, इफ द वन partner among the two partners, if one of the partner is having any sort of sexually transmitted disease, then if there is no any sort of contraceptive device is used, then the another person or the another partner is also going to suffer from that particular sexually transmitted disease. Iska best example you might have studied about the HIV AIDS. Okay, and in that same series you will be able to know few more diseases which are sexually transmitted uh, diseases that you will be studying today. So these are basically infections or disease which are transmitted through sexual intercourse. तो ये वो diseases है जो sexual intercourse के through ही spread होती हैं, and these are collectively called sexually transmitted infections, or another name for these are venereal diseases VD और reproductive tract infection, और इनको reproductive tract infection भी कहा जाता है, that is RTI. Okay, it may be termed as STI, or it may be termed as VD, or it may be termed as RTI. अब इसमें कौन कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स आते हैं? गोनोरिया, सिफिलिस, जेनाइटल हर्पीस, क्लेमाइडियसिस, जेनाइटल वॉर्ट्स, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and of course the most discussed infection in the recent years, that is HIV. Leading to AIDS are some of the common STI. ये कुछ common sexually transmitted infections हैं. On among these, HIV infection is the most dangerous, and it is going to be discussed in chapter in 8, but I'll introduce you in this chapter only. Now, some of the infections like hepatitis B and HIV can also be transmitted by sharing of injection needles. तो HIV और hepatitis B ये जरूरी नहीं है कि ये सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स के थ्रू ही एक पर्सन के दूसरे पर्सन में जाएंगे. देयर आर अदर मोड्स ऑल्सो, जैसे कि इंजेक्शन अगर यूज किया गया है, इंजेक्शन की जो नीडल है वो किसी HIV पेशेंट के लिए यूज की गई है, and the same injection is going to be given to the other healthy individual, and the person will be suffering from hepatitis B or HIV, or any surgical instrument which are used for the patient of hepatitis B or HIV. If the same instruments are going to be used for the other healthy individual, then it may lead to the infection for the other individual also. Okay, so this other causes which are responsible with infected person, if contact with the infected person, that is blood sputum exchange, then transfusion of blood. If the blood is transfuses to the other individual which is not suffering from these diseases, it may lead to the disease, or from an infected mother to the fetus. If the mother is suffering from the hepatitis B or HIV, then through the blood circulation, the infection will reach to the developing fetus. Now, except for hepatitis B, genital herpes, and HIV infection, अदर डिसीज आर कम्प्लीटली क्योरेबल. ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इनका एडवर्स इफेक्ट है. दे आर they may lead to the death of the patient also, but other diseases like gonorrhea, syphilis, these are curable diseases. ठीक है, and treated properly. अगर ये जल्दी डिटेक्ट हो जाता है या फिर उसको डिटेक्ट होने के बाद में प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट मिल जाता है, then other diseases can be curable. Early symptoms of most of these are minor and include itching. Usually ये जो बाकी अदर इन्फेक्शन है, गोनोरिया, सिफिलिस, ठीक है, जेनाइटल वॉर्ट, जेनाइटल हर्पीस, इनके जो इन्फेक्शंस होते हैं उनके सिम्टम्स में क्या आता है, माइनर और include itching होगा, fluid discharge हो सकता है, slight pain in the genital areas, swelling in the genital areas. Okay, then infected females may often be asymptomatic. If the might be it's also happen the female is infected but the symptoms is not there and hence may remain undetected for long और काफी टाइम तक हो सकता है पता ना चले. Absence or less significant symptoms in the early stage of infection and the social stigma attached to the STI deter the infected person from going for timely detection and proper treatment. Usually, the people are into the perception or the sort of shame feeling because of the hesitation. They are not trying to reach to the medical practitioners for getting this matter solved. Okay, so this could lead to complication if in early stages the person is not going to report to the medical practitioners, then it is going to be lead the complicated matter or the complications will be there, which include pelvic inflammation. हो सकता है पूरे pelvic area में inflammation हो जाए, swelling आए, redness हो जाए, ठीक है. May lead to the abortion if the infection is too much, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, then infertile or even cancer of the reproductive tract. तो ये सारी problems आ सकती हैं. Then STIs are the major threat to a healthy society. तो STI अपने आप में healthy society के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा threat है. Therefore, prevention or early detection and cure of these diseases are given prime consideration अंडर द रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ केयर प्रोग्राम. तो इसीलिए एसटीडीज को इतना ज्यादा बेसिकली अवेयरनेस दिया जा रहा है दैट इफ द पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ इन्फेक्शन देन द पर्सन शुड टेक प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट. थ्रू ऑल पर्सन आर वनरेबल टू दिस इन्फेक्शन. Their incidences are reported to be very high among person in the age group of 15 to 24 because they are not totally aware about their body. They are not knowing how they will be catching the infections. So there is no reason to panic because prevention is possible. तो इसके लिए panic होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Prevention is there. One could be free of these infection by following the simple principle given. अब ये principles क्या है? Let's see. Avoid sex with unknown partners, multiple partner. As a prostitution, you must be knowing. So this is basically the person if it is going for sex with multiple partners is not good, and if the person is going for the sex with multiple partners that too without using the contraceptive devices like condom, diaphragm, whatever the barrier methods are there, other contraceptive devices are there, then the person itself is spoiling its healthy attitude and it will be leading to the sexually transmitted disease only. Always try to use condom during coitus and the condom should be used during the intercourse. And in case of doubt, one should go to the qualified doctor. If any sort of doubt or any complication is there, then the person should definitely go to the doctor for the early detection and get complete treatment if diagnosed with infection. अगर infection है, if the infection is diagnosed, then the person should go for the proper treatment of that particular infection. Okay, so this was about the sexually transmitted diseases, and in the next video, we will be going for the symptoms of symptoms prevention cure of the sexually transmitted diseases. By that time, do this much. Thank you.